Follow me on my journey with this van as I pack it time and time again with my photo booth, bartending, and rental businesses. What's up, guys? I want to take you with me on my weekend. I've got 2 rental photo booths out and 1 fully functioning photo booth, and 1 bartending gig, and then 1 speaker rental out this weekend. So that's what I've got going on. I'm going to take you with me bartending tonight. Got my list here of all the mixes that I'm going to need for the event tonight that I don't already have stocked at home, so I'm going in. I've got the missing grocery items that or the mix items that I need for the event tonight, but I'm not gonna buy pop here for full price. So what I do is I switch to check out the Flip app on my phone. I don't know if it works in the States, but it's great in Canada if you want to find some mixes on sale for last minute purchases. All right, pop is $1 each at no frills, so that's where we're going. Holy crap, it's busy in here. Hey, so I'm just loading up stuff in the van here, and I thought of something, a little pro tip. So glassware. When you're at events, you want to provide the good glassware first, so the more expensive glassware first, and then as your clients get a lot more drunk, you can start to whip out the cheaper glassware. It's still good, it's just like a level down, and when they're drunk they don't seem to care. I mean, obviously use this at your discretion, and yeah, you should do that. So just in the back of the van here packing stuff. Pro tip, if you're anything like me and you do a bartending business out of a minivan and you have a room where the stow and go seats are at the bottom, utilize that room. I've always keep extra glassware or mixes that I don't want to get punctured at underneath the boards there, so where the middle stow and go seats would normally go. So I know that Dodge Grand Caravans, the stock version of them, they come with like this weird middle seat and not the nice captain seats that go in the middle of the stow and go. So the stow and go space is empty, so if you can, shove your plastic glassware and mixes that you don't want punctured. Worcestershire, it's a never-ending battle with Worcestershire busting and getting all over my gear. So last minute the client contacts me and said, "Oh, do you have uplighting?" And I said, "Heck yeah." So I had bought this uplighting I don't know, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, something like that. And there's 8 of them here. I have 2 of them out with the photo booth booking right now. But yeah, they're going out tonight. Actually, nice little lights, Rockville Par 50. And so these are like the cheap version that you can find online, but they're the only ones that offer like daisy chaining, which is like one being able to plug into the other for low price points. So yeah, these uplights are great. So I'll try and remember to post where I found them on eBay for, I think I got 10 of them for $500 shipped to Canada. So what's up, guys? Got the van all packed up and I'm off to the gig. This event's at the university, and normally I ask people, you know, if it's easy to get in or if there's any, you know, special requirements, and then I know to plan the timing. But this was a surprise party for a repeat client and I forgot to ask, but luckily Rockstar parking right there. So the van, and then there's the event right there. So we'll just right there. So be so easy to roll in, and I'll show you the event here. So we've got the van loaded full of stuff there. One of the nice things about having the vehicle so close is you don't have to unload all of your stock. You know, we can just keep a lot of the pop and the ice in there and just grab as needed. So sweet. See this little floodlight here? It's a 10-watt floodlight that I bought off of eBay and or maybe Amazon. Cost me like 20 bucks or something like that, and I rent them out for $10 at events. And then even if the person doesn't opt to get them, then I usually bring them anyways, and you'll see in a bit how much it'll drastically change the mood in the room. No bartender likes to work in like a schoolroom atmosphere. You know, you always feel a little bit more crazy in the dark. It feels more like a party. So this light's really gonna change the atmosphere. So here's the photo booth area. Actually, I'll show you the room. So we've got a custom background set here, and it's set that you just touch the 40-year button and the photo starts. So
there's a countdown, takes a picture, takes another picture. We're just going to go through the whole thing, and then I'm going to text a picture to the phone just to show you. So just one more photo, I'll just show you the background.
And then we'll text the photo. So I just press message there, my phone number I'm gonna put in. So now I just send. I'm gonna send it and it's gonna pop up. So there's our uplights in action. The lights are on the backdrop there. Hey guys, this is Ashley. She's one of my main bartenders.
Pouring drinks all day.
Pouring drinks all night. Watching boudoir.
Spicy.
Boudoir, right?
Spicy, just like the oysters.
Yeah, the oyster bar back there.
I wish there was some boudoir.
So we've got the fresh oyster guy here from Canoe Oysters.
So good.
So good. Awesome. Those yummy oysters. Actually, the oyster bar back there.
Like a
White rum?
double gin soda.
Oh yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sean Grant, one of the best DJs in Canada. Charlie Hustle, should I say? Yeah. Woo! So I'm at the event, and checking in on my 3 photo booths is easy as just checking my phone. So well, I've got one just right there, but I've got the other two at separate events. So I just checked them over my phone. Check this out. So here's the app, Booth Copilot. I'm just logging in at the event right now, and it shows that I have 3 photo booths live. So I'll click into the first one. So it shows 47 photos have been taken. It's still updating the metrics though on this one. Log into the second one, Jared and Kayla. So 122 photo booths or photos taken. It's pretty cool. And then we'll log into Malvina's. This is the event that I'm at, and the metrics are still loading. Oh, they pop up right as I log out. So here's the second app. It's called Photo Share, and on this app you can basically look at the photo booths or the photos as they're being uploaded, so you can make sure that your guests have the proper lighting, or else you can help troubleshoot that. So I know there's been a request for a little bit better of a breakdown. So there's inside the photo booth, you'll see the hot shoe on top of the camera, and then the drilled hole where the cord goes in and hooks to the computer. You'll see the USB on the front of the computer that has the USB keyboard attached to it. And then there's all the fittings on the back of the computer there. I just had to move that out of the way. It was getting in the way of the video. So the power cord, I'm just gonna point at it right now. And then there's the VGA cord. So these are the cords, the USBs for the monitor, touchscreen, the camera, and then the Wi-Fi as well. So we'll just go in closer and take a look at the touchscreen monitor. So it's just an ELO monitor that I found on eBay, a 17-inch. What is up, guys? The gig is done. I'm on my way home now. Usually I stop and get a sandwich if the Subway's still open, but this time I was stuffing my face with appetizers and cupcakes and all sorts of crap all night, so that was nice. Yeah, the gig went good. So my whole weekend I pulled in gosh, what was it, like $1,800-ish. So I had a bartending gig, which you're gonna see most of that. I had 3 photo booths go out. I had uplight rental, so it's 10 uplights rented out, cocktail table covers rented out, and a party speaker rented out. So that's my weekend. Not bad. And I'll keep showing you all my stuff, so you just keep liking and keep subscribing and commenting on these videos, and I will just keep pumping the content out. So I'm really enjoying doing this, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.